Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna to show you how to make your Facebook profile picture as private. So friends, you need to make your profile picture as private. So just click on your Facebook profile picture. Now click on this drop down. In here click on more. Now select only me. So if you will select only me, so this profile picture will be private. No anyone can be able to click on it, and also no anybody will be able to download your Facebook profile picture. So select only me. And now close it, and that's all. So by this easy and quick method you can make your Facebook profile picture as private. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.